Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you 5 amazing AI tools that are completely free, incredibly powerful, and can save you hours of work every week. By the end of this video, you'll know how to write content, generate images, create realistic voiceovers, edit videos, and make digital art without wasting hours figuring things out. I'll show you exactly how I use each tool, step by step, with examples, tips, and creative ideas so you can follow along and get inspired to try them yourself. Plus, I'll share some extra tricks and workflow hacks that will make your work even faster and more fun. So you don't just learn the tools, you'll also learn how to get the most out of them efficiently. Let's start with ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI writing tools today. It's like having a personal assistant who can write blogs, emails, social media posts, scripts, or brainstorm ideas instantly. It's fast, versatile, and perfect for creators, students, or professionals who want to save time. Here's how I use it. Open ChatGPT in your browser, type your prompt. For example, write a LinkedIn post about AI tools for productivity. Press enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT generates a full, polished post. I can tweak it, shorten it, or make it more creative without starting from scratch. Sometimes I'm stuck on ideas, and ChatGPT saves me. I typed, "Give me 20 YouTube video ideas about AI tools," and instantly I had a list of fresh ideas. Use detailed prompts like adding tone or style. Write a LinkedIn post about AI tools in a friendly, approachable tone. The AI adapts and produces professional quality content in seconds. Tip: you can even ask ChatGPT to rewrite existing content in different styles, like turning a blog post into a script or making an email more persuasive. This way, you save even more time. Next, let's move on to Canva AI. Canva is a fantastic tool for design and image creation, and the AI feature makes it even faster. Even if you're not a designer, Canva can help you produce professional quality visuals in minutes, from social media posts to presentations and thumbnails. Here's my step-by-step process. Open Canva and go to Canva AI and select Image. Type your prompt. For example, a futuristic city skyline at sunset. Click Generate and watch Canva produce a detailed, vibrant image instantly. Customize the image by adjusting colors, styles, or adding text. I also love experimenting. I typed, "a cute dog reading a book," and Canva gave me a fun, high-quality image. Generate multiple images at once. I often need 10 social media posts for the week, and with Canva AI, I get them all in under 10 minutes. It's a huge time saver. Tip: you can combine AI-generated images with stock photos, illustrations, or even your own sketches. This way, Canva helps you create more complex visuals without spending hours designing manually. Another thing I like is that Canva lets you adjust details like lighting, style, and perspective. This makes your images look unique and professional every time. Next, let's bring your projects to life with 11 Labs voiceovers. 11 Labs is perfect for realistic voiceovers. It can turn any text into a natural-sounding, professional voice instantly. Whether it's for YouTube, podcasts, or social media clips, it saves time and adds a polished feel. Its AI voices don't just sound real, they feel alive. The platform captures tone, emotion, pacing, and personality in a way that makes every voiceover sound professional. Whether you're making YouTube videos, short films, or storytelling content, 11 Labs helps you produce studio-quality audio without needing expensive equipment or voice actors. It's reliable, powerful, and one of the best innovations in the AI audio world. Here's how I do it. Open 11 Labs and go to Text-to-Speech Paste or type your text. Example: "Welcome to this AI tutorial." Choose the voice you want: male, female, energetic, calm, etc. Adjust speed or tone if needed. Click Generate, and in a few seconds your voice is ready to use. I use this to create different voices for characters or just make content more engaging. Experiment with accents or tones. It adds personality to your content. You can layer multiple voices or add background music to make your clips sound like a professional podcast or commercial. Next, let's edit videos and create clips quickly with Hilo AI. Halo AI is a powerful AI tool for video generation that turns text prompts into cinematic clips quickly and easily. It's perfect for creators who want professional-looking videos without complex software or long editing times. Here's my step-by-step process. In the text box, type your prompt. Example: a futuristic city at dawn with floating vehicles, neon lights reflecting on wet streets, flying drones, and people walking with holographic umbrellas. The sky is pink and purple with soft clouds, and there's a large digital billboard showing animated advertisements. Click the Generate Video button. Wait a few seconds while the AI creates your video. Once the video is ready, preview it to see the result. If you're happy, download the video and use it for your project. With just a few clicks, your cinematic AI video is ready. You can use this method for any idea or scene. Just type your prompt and let Hilo AI bring it to life. Break your video into multiple short clips and then stitch them together. Add text overlays, transitions, and sound effects to make your final video look like a professional production. And that's what makes Hilo AI so powerful. It saves your time, boosts your creativity, and gives you clean, professional results without any hassle. Next, let's explore digital art with Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is incredible for digital art and illustrations. It allows you to create high-quality concept art, game assets, and storyboards in seconds, which would normally take hours manually. Here's how I use it. Open Leonardo.ai and select the image icon. Type your prompt. Example: a magical forest with glowing animals. Choose style, colors, and resolution if needed. Click Generate and watch the AI create a beautiful, detailed image instantly. Choose the one that you like or think fits your project best, and then simply click the Download button to save it directly to your device. It's quick, easy, and lets you get the image ready for use in no time. I also typed a futuristic robot city at night and got a professional-looking illustration in seconds. Experiment with different styles and prompts. The more you try, the more creative your results will be. You can combine Leonardo.ai outputs with Canva or video clips to create rich storytelling visuals. This is a great way to make your content more engaging and unique. So those were the 5 AI tools you should be using right now. ChatGPT for writing, Canva for images and design, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Hilo AI for video editing, Leonardo.ai for digital art. Each tool can save hours of work, boost creativity, and help you produce professional quality content faster than ever. Try them out, experiment with prompts, and see how AI can simplify your projects and let you focus on creating amazing content. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!